Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be with you today.
Charlotte, I have a question. Imagine you are at a bus stop. There's a person next to you. You want to speak to them. What do you say?
That is a good question. Do I talk about politics?
No, too dangerous.
Do I talk about dinosaurs?
No, that is weird.
Okay, I know. I talk about the weather.
Exactly, the weather. It is the #1 topic for small talk in the world, specifically in English-speaking countries like the UK or the USA.
If you want to make friends or just break the silence, you need to know weather vocabulary.
Today, we will teach you the essential words and the most important grammar rule for the weather.
By the end of this episode, you will be ready to look out the window and describe what you see in perfect English.
Let's unlock your English.
Okay, Leo, look out the window. What is the weather like today?
Well, today is beautiful. It's sunny.
Stop! Leo, you made the classic mistake.
I did? I said, it's sunny.
Yes, listeners, pay attention. In many languages, you can just say the verb. But in English, you must have a subject. You cannot start a sentence with is.
Ah, right. I need the magic word.
Yes, the magic word is it. You must say, it is sunny.
Okay, this is our first key vocabulary phrase.
The phrase is, it is.
It is.
This is the structure we use for all weather. It is the subject. Is the verb. Together, it is.
We can also make it shorter. It's. It's nice today. It's hot.
Listeners, please repeat. Do not just say is. Say it is. It is nice.
Good. One more time. It is beautiful.
Perfect. Now that we have the grammar, let's look at the weather words. Leo, you said today is beautiful. Why?
Because I see the sun.
Okay, so the adjective is
The word is sunny.
sunny. This means there are no clouds. The sun is shining bright. It is a happy day.
I love sunny days.
Take your sunglasses. It is sunny.
Listeners, imagine the bright yellow sun. Repeat after me. It is sunny.
One more time. Feel the warmth. It is sunny.
I love sunny days. But Charlotte, I hate it when the temperature goes up, when I sweat.
You don't like it when it is hot.
The word is hot.
Hot.
Be careful, listeners. Hot means high temperature, like fire. It is not spicy. That is for food. This is for weather.
Correct. The summer is very hot. Don't touch the stove. It is hot.
But for weather, remember our rule. It is. Listeners, repeat. It is hot today.
Very good. It is very hot.
Oh no. Charlotte, look. The clouds are gray. The sun is gone.
I love this sound. The water is falling from the sky.
I don't like it. I get wet.
Leo, don't be negative. We need our next word.
The word is rainy.
Rainy.
This describes a day with rain. Water coming from the clouds.
Take an umbrella. It is rainy. London is a rainy city.
Listeners, repeat after us. It is rainy.
Again, I like rainy days.
Okay, so if it is raining, usually the temperature goes down. It is not hot anymore. It is.
It is cold.
The word is cold.
Cold.
This is the opposite of hot. You need a jacket, you need a scarf. Brr.
Winter is cold. Close the window. It is cold.
Listeners, wrap your arms around yourself. Brr. Repeat. It is cold.
One more time. It is very cold.
Okay, Charlotte. We have sunny, hot, rainy, and cold. But why is this the world's #1 small talk?
Because it is safe. Everyone experiences the weather. If I say to you, it is cold today, you agree.
And then we start talking.
Exactly. It's a way to break the ice.
The phrase is small talk.
Small talk.
This means polite, casual conversation about unimportant things.
It is not deep conversation. It is just to be friendly. I made small talk with my neighbor. The weather is perfect for small talk.
Listeners, repeat the phrase small talk. So, Charlotte, let's practice a real conversation, a small talk situation.
Okay, I am at the bus stop. You arrive. Hi,
Oh, hello.
it is cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it's cold. And it's rainy too.
I know. I hope it is sunny tomorrow.
Me too. See, that was easy.
Very easy. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to observe the weather and use it is.
We learned the basics today. Let's do a quick recap.
The grammar rule: never say is. Always say it is. For bright days, sunny. For high temperatures, hot. For water from the sky, rainy. For low temperatures, cold. The type of conversation? Small talk.
Charlotte, what is our motivational quote for today?
This one is beautiful. It's about attitude. The quote is, wherever you go, no matter the weather, always bring your own sunshine.
Oh, I like that. Bring your own sunshine.
It means maybe it's rainy outside. Maybe it's a bad day. But you can be happy inside. You can be positive.
That is great advice.
So, listeners, your homework: look out the window, say one sentence. It is.
You can do it. Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Have a sunny day, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.